Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we're going to learn something really useful. How to make your Python programs talk to you and take input from the user. This lesson is all about input and output. Let's start with output. Showing messages on the screen. In Python, we use the print function to display text. We can write print hello world. When you run it, Python will print the message on the screen. You can print words, numbers, or even results on calculations. Like we can write print 10 plus 5. That when we run it, it'll give us 15. You can also print multiple things at once. We write print the answer is 10 plus 5. Python automatically adds spaces between them, which is super helpful. Now, let's make our program more interactive by asking for user input. We can use the input function. We write name input, what is your name? Then we print hello name. When you run this, Python will pause and wait for the user to type something. I will write Celine, press enter. Then it will store the text in the variable name and print a greeting. Hello, Celine. One important thing to remember, the input function always gives you a string, even if the user types a number. We write age, input, how old are you? Then we print next year you will be age plus 1. Then when we print it, it will give us an error because it will say the input is a string, but because of the part age plus 1, it needs to be an int. So that's why if you want to work with numbers, you have to convert it using the int or float. So in front of the input, we write an int, and now when we print it, it will say how old are you? I'll type 14, and then it will say next year you will be 15. Now Python can do the math because age is an integer, not a string. So in this video we learned about print that shows output, input, take user input. We can convert input to numbers with int or float. This is a foundation of interactive programs where your code can actually talk to people. Thanks for watching. In the next video, we'll learn about if statements, how to make your code make decisions. Don't forget to like, subscribe.